What's up everybody, welcome to another video tour. Today we are in JP Green, Swishtown, Sector 128, Noida Expressway. Today we'll be showing you a Calypso Court golf facing 3 BHK flat. In Calypso Court, in each floor you have 3 or 4 flats depending on the tower and 3 lifts. Let's see the flat now. The flat size is 3200 square feet. It has 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, living, kitchen, terrace, servant room and a utility balcony. As you enter, you have the first bedroom on the left side and then the second room, and the last door that you see on the left side is the master bedroom. The size of the living room is around 20 by 26 feet. You get 2 split ACs in the living room. You also get the POP ceiling with LEDs installed in the living room. Vitrified tiles are used in this room. With the living room, you also get an attached terrace balcony. From here, you will get an incredible view of the golf course. As we zoom in, the far end of the golf course that you see is the pavilion court and the pavilion height. We'll be showing you these flats in our upcoming videos. Let's continue our video tour and see the spacious kitchen. The kitchen size is around 6 by 11 feet. The kitchen work was done by the builder. It is a modular kitchen. You get a chimney and a water purifier in this kitchen. Space is there for a large appliance in this kitchen. Next to the kitchen, you have the utility balcony. The utility balcony size is 6 by 8 feet. In this flat, you also get a water softener. The servant bathroom is just next to the utility area. The size of this bathroom is 6 by 8 feet. Next to the servant bathroom, you have the servant room. This room is just behind the kitchen. The size of this room is around 10 by 8 feet. You have separate entry for the servant room. In this room, you get a separate space for floor to ceiling almirah. Let's see the master bedroom first. This room has a dressing area, attached bathroom and terrace. You get aluminium PVC doors and windows. Because of the windows and the sliding glass door for the terrace, you get plenty of light and proper ventilation in this room. Size of this room is 12 by 16 feet. You get laminated wood flooring and a split air conditioner in this room. You have enough space to put a study table or sofa along with the king size bed in this room. Let's see the terrace now. From this terrace, you can see the Noida Expressway from one side, and from the other side you can see the golf. The terrace size is around 17 by 31 feet. It's a perfect place to sit with the family and enjoy the view. The terrace is also attached to the living room. Let's go back inside the master bedroom and show you the dressing area and the bathroom. The almirah is around 4.5 feet wide and 6 feet height. In this bathroom, you get premium sanitary fittings. The bathroom is neatly designed. You get the vanity on the right side, and in the front you get the bathtub. In front of the vanity, you have the shower area and the toilet. Exhaust fans are provided in each bathroom. The size of this bathroom is around 11 by 9 feet. Let's see the second room of the flat now, which is next to the master bedroom. The size of this room is around 11 by 15 feet. You have a window which faces the Noida Expressway. This window ensures that you have natural light and ventilation in this room. Wooden flooring is provided in this room. This room also has a dressing area and an attached bathroom. The size of the bathroom is 5 by 9 feet. In all bathrooms, you get premium fittings. Let's see the final room now. This room design is similar to the second room. Here also you get a window facing the Noida Expressway, a dressing area and an attached bathroom. The size of this room is 11 by 15 feet. The size of this bathroom is around 5 by 9 feet. Please do subscribe if you like the video, and for site visit please do call us.